Welcome, this is the Nokia 220 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So open first the settings. Let's unlock the device first. Open the settings first. Then scroll to the connectivity, select this option, scroll to the dual SIM, select it, tap to SIM settings, select SIM 1 for example, and scroll down to PIN code request. We could see that the SIM pin is activated. To turn it off, click here to PIN code request, tap to change and enter your currently PIN code. In my case, the PIN is from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and now PIN code request successfully disabled. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.